my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I want to share with you my summer favorites. Now, where I live, it's really warm weather all year round, but it definitely feels like the seasons are changing because my kids just went back to school. So you know what that means, back to the grind, dropping my younger son off and sending my older son back to university. But I want to share what was exciting for me to wear this summer, just in case you want to also pick it up for yourself, because you never know, there's always a vacation right around the corner. These are my seven, I believe, summer items that I'm sharing with you today. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Liz. I love to put out content based mostly on fashion, a little bit of luxury, and some lifestyle. And if that is your type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that ring bell notification so that you could be notified every single time I upload, which is always on a Sunday and a Wednesday. Let's get started. The first item that I want to share with you is a dress that I wore during a shopping trip in Hawaii with my husband. We went to Ala Moana Center, and there we did some luxury shopping, and I wore this beautiful dress. Now, I felt that this dress was the perfect dress to wear in Hawaii. It's so tropical. It's a linen fabric. Check out the belt with these shells, and it's kind of like a rope tie, so it makes it very, very casual. But let me tell you about this dress. This is a Zimmermann dress, and everyone had to compliment this dress. So I guess the colors were so attractive. I took so many amazing pictures with this dress, and I'm gonna plug some in here so that you can see them. But this was one of my summer favorites. I just felt beautiful wearing it. It was complimented so much. And then I posted pictures on Instagram wearing this dress, and it did generate a lot of likes. So a lot of traffic to my Instagram page because of this beautiful dress. But it was not only beautiful to look at, it was also very, very comfortable. And I felt like it was worth every penny. It is such a charming dress, such a ladylike, put together look. The next item I want to share with you is another dress. This one I purchased on Amazon, and I wore this dress when I went with my children and my husband. We stayed at a local resort, El Conquistador Resort. Beautiful, beautiful, breathtaking resort. If you're ever in Puerto Rico and you want a place to stay that is true luxury, definitely stay there. So I wore this dress over my swimsuit. Now, I believe this dress can be worn as a regular dress, not over a swimsuit, but I use it as a swimsuit cover up. Now, I want to show you something about this dress. I have it twice. Now, why do I have it twice? Because last year I purchased it for my vacation with my family, and I had worn it so many times it was kind of getting a yellowish look that I repurchased it. Now, that says a lot for somebody like me that does fashion content and is forever going through dresses. To purchase a dress again, it made me feel amazing. It is the perfect price. It plunges down so your swimsuit kind of peeks out. I'm gonna insert a little video and also some pictures so that you can see exactly what it looks like on. But so beautiful, this eyelet, and this piece here is kind of like a little peekaboo detail. The buttons, the fit, adjustable straps, just a stunning, stunning cotton dress to wear on your beach vacation. I loved it. Next and last in the categories of dresses, I want to share with you a dress that I wore to the Miami Design District for a little bit of shopping during our last end of the summer trip before it got real, right? Back to normal. And it was this dress that I found on Farfetch. Now, this one is Charo, Ruiz. And this dress I wore shopping during the day on my birthday day. And this was also such a dress that made me feel beautiful. It was comfortable, such a charming dress. It is in a cotton with a lot of details of eyelet, this ruffle on top, all through the body here, all the way to the bottom. Definitely a fun dress, comfortable, and also heavily complimented because it was just something that is such a simple silhouette, but because of all of the details, so eye-catching. And it also comes in black. If white, you're done with wearing white, this also is available in black, and I believe I purchased this on Farfetch. So beautiful. The next item I'm going to be sharing with you is swimwear. I purchased this swimsuit, it's a bikini, at Victoria's Secret. Now, just like every other woman in this world, I have things about my body that I like and things that I want to conceal. And this swimsuit made me feel so comfortable that I even felt like I could walk around the entire property without a little cover up. I just felt very, very comfortable. I felt like it definitely flattered my figure, and I want to share it with you because if you're also a person that is comfortable wearing a bikini, but maybe you don't want to wear, you know, a 20-year-old's bikini, you want to wear a bikini for a woman like myself, over 40, and the one that I'm talking about is this Victoria's Secret swimsuit. Now, if you can see, the bottom piece is high-waisted and it has ruching on the side here so that it is very, very flattering on. It hits, for me, a little below the belly button, so you do see this part of your body, but it's not teeny tiny. It's not a low-waisted bikini. It's definitely comfortable, and the color with a nice sun-kissed skin, it was amazing. Now, the top piece here has this like tortoiseshell circular detail that gave it like a refined, expensive looking touch to this swimsuit. I also purchased it in a green, and I checked on Victoria's Secret's website, and I believe these swimsuits are all on sale. I bought it in a neon green as well, but this one I would have to say was my favorite. I wore it in 2 of my vacations, so it washed really, really well. And like I said, I think they're on sale now. So, so beautiful. I'm gonna plug in some pictures as well so you can see what it looks like on. So pretty. Continuing on with my favorites, I wanted to share these little flats from Express. They are the most comfortable sandal that I have purchased in a very long time. I mean, I'm gonna put in a little video of me walking throughout El Viejo San Juan or Old San Juan here, and anybody that's been to Old San Juan knows that the floor is original cobblestone, so you better be wearing comfortable shoes for all the walking you're gonna do, and these fit the bill. These were like walking on pillows. These are from Express, and I believe they might be marked down because Express is always having sales. I have them in black as well. Okay, don't think I'm weird, but I also have them in this tan color. I haven't worn the tan yet, but the black and especially the white were on heavy repeat this summer because they are unbelievably comfortable. Now, I couldn't believe it. I walked so very much and not a blister, not a problem. And I thought that the way they are styled, they also were the perfect addition to any little summer dress. So pretty. Okay, moving on now to bags. And this bag I picked up during my time in Hawaii, and it is this beautiful Chanel wallet on chain in the dark pink. Now, I grabbed for this bag over and over and over this summer. I just felt like it's such a beautiful bag. And if you follow me once again on Instagram, you will see I paired a lot of my summer outfits with this bag. It's really small. I mean, it's just barely enough to fit your phone. You know, there's not too much room in there. But what I loved about it was that the color, of course, it was such an eye-catching wallet on chain because of all of the details here on the chain. But a little bit of a con. I will have to say that it has crinkled a lot, but I mean, if you wear your stuff a lot, it's gonna get worn, right? And that's exactly what happened with this bag. It is a lambskin, so I felt like, yes, it does show more wear than a lot of other bags that I own. And I guess that is because of the lambskin. You can see it here. And I think that mostly happens because when you take your straps and you crisscross them, which I need because I'm so short that I have to do that in order for it to fit me. But then you kind of like create a little wrinkle. But like I said, I enjoyed this bag so very much this summer. So that's to be expected, but that's just something that I wanted to pass on to you, that these little bags do get some wrinkling, and somebody may not like that. You know, someone may say, well, if I'm going to pay that much money, I want it to stay exactly how when I purchased it, and that's not going to happen. Not in this leather. but I still enjoyed it so very much. I'm glad I picked it up. It's one of my favorite pieces that I wore so much this summer. My one miss of the summer, and it breaks my heart to have to say this was a miss because this bag was over $1,000, and that hurts my heart because $1,000 is still $1,000. But I'm passing on this information just to let you know, so you are an informed shopper. This was definitely a miss for me, and I'm talking about this basket from YSL. I just felt like for over $1,000, I mean, the quality for me wasn't there. I feel like, yes, it has the beautiful leather straps, but this is flimsy, and I felt like it didn't look $1,000. I have the Loewe basket bag that I wore often last summer, and that one looks exactly how it did at the beginning of the summer. This one has, I think, changed a little bit in colors, and I don't know. That's just my opinion. I feel like it didn't really pass the $1,000 test for me personally, but I'm passing that on to you so that you know my opinion about this bag is maybe skip it and try something else. There are so many new basket bags out on the market, and this one, I don't know. It just, it wasn't my favorite. So this was my one miss for the summer. I have so many hits, so many ones that I have enjoyed wearing so much, and that's not bad, right? I hope you had fun looking over all my summer favorites. I had fun sharing them with you. I had fun bringing them all out and making sure you know this information so that you know what to pick up for your next summer holiday. And thank you so very much for watching. I really do appreciate every time you watch my videos. Make sure that you leave me a little comment and let me know perhaps what was your favorite item that you used throughout your summer. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.